We were wrong. The earth is actually not round nor a bagel or whatever this is. It was actually flat. It was flat this whole time.
The earth is flat, and I'm going to prove it today using science. And this balloon. Let's get to it. For our first experiment, I took the entire earth like I'm Mr. Beast, and I shrunk it down to the size of my nutsack. Okay? Now with this, I'm gonna prove that the earth is in fact not round, but is actually flat. Let's do the first experiment. Now, if the world is actually a sphere, this water should stick to it and it should not run off, because this is an exact replica. So here we go. As you can see, the water is in fact falling off. It is not staying on it like in real life. If the world was actually round, it would stick to it, but the earth is flat. Let me show you why. The earth is actually flat because look, this represents the earth. All right, the earth is not round because the water fell off, but in real life, we have water on this earth, and this is why. As you can see, the water sticks to the earth and it's slowly falling down. But the water sticks to the earth because it is actually flat and not round. As you can see, I proved all of this using basic science. Now, for those of you saying, oh, that's not fair, it's small, it needs gravity, okay? This is way bigger. This has its own gravitational pull. So, for the earth, we're gonna use this, okay? And I'm gonna prove again how the world is actually flat and not round. Because if the earth was round, the water would stick to this and not run off, okay? So let's go ahead and do it. Now, if the earth is round, down to scale, this should not let the water run off, okay? Unless it's flat. But let's go ahead and see if the earth is actually round. Are you ready? Take two. Are you ready? The real take. Here we go. As you can see, the water is running down. Therefore, the earth is actually flat. It is not round, okay? Because the water did not stick to it. It fell right off. Which, the earth is flat. Because if it was round, the water would just fall right off the side of the earth, okay? This is why the earth is actually flat. Flat like this plate. Alright? This is the actual earth. And I'm going to prove it again. Okay? The balloon, it was bigger. The water fell off. Let's go ahead and see, again, the flat earth. Now look. The earth is actually flat. And this is why. Because the water stays on it like how it does in earth, okay? If the earth was actually, round, it would just fall off. But the earth is flat, and that is why we have water on our earth, okay? Now look, this is the ocean. This right here is China. This right here is South America. This over here is the United States. You see, the earth is actually flat. And if that is not enough scientific, monopolist or Pythagorean theorem evidence, if that is not enough for you, I got one more experiment. I am gonna be the earth now because I'm big, I'm blue, and I'm round, and I'm gonna prove to you that water, it can't stick to round earth. It has to be flat, okay? So this is the last experiment to prove that the earth is flat, because if it was round, the water would stick and not run off, okay? Let's do it. This is really cold, but as you can see, the earth is actually flat and not cold because the water is just running off. This is really cold, but oh my wiener. Okay. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The earth is in fact actually flat. Now, if you don't believe me, this is strong scientific evidence that the earth is actually flat. Okay, guys? Now, I have an IQ of 167. It's because of me that we found out that the earth is flat. So, no, we were actually all wrong. The earth is not round. It is, in fact, flat. Okay? Like and subscribe, motherfucker.